Dala namin yung energy na yon, lahat ng binibigay niya sa amin. Ready namin i-share sa buong mundo, bringing our sound, our stories, on Filipino music to bigger stage.
Yes, and now we are ready to send the next signal. Stay tuned for our next EP called Signal! And we'll be releasing our latest EP on April 9, a day before our Coachella weekend performance.
Yes, at syempre, invite na rin namin kayo to watch the Coachella live stream. Stay tuned for more details.
Grabe, Blooms! Billy will be dropping a new EP this April 9! Grabe, exciting. Mag-start na tayo mag-countdown because there will be a lot of surprises. So stay tuned and make sure to pre-save early.
Siyempre, kung akala nyo, doon na natatapos ang special announcement ng Binita. Pero hindi pa, kumapit kayo. Kaya naman nakakapit na ba ang lahat? Yeah!
Kapit nyo, paano kapit nyo?
Paling kapit, patingin muna nung kapit.
Kapit lang.
Kapit na, kapit na. So, kapit na tayong lahat. Kaya naman, tumingin na tayo sa ating LED screen.
Namin,
Ayun.
movie,
Watch this.
movie marathon.
Yes! Oo, kinilubutan ako doon. Oo, ang ganda ng edit eh. Nakakataas ng excitement. Pero tama po yung nakita nyo, yung mga nakita nyo lugar at date. Pagbalik po namin from Coachella, magsama-sama po tayo sa isang special concert! Save the dates, Bloom! See you po sa Signals of the Mall of Asia Arena on June 20, 2026! At sa lahat ng ating Visayas Blooms, nakita-kita rin po tayo sa Signal Seaside Cebu Arena this July 11, 2026! Grabe, no? Kumbaga hindi pa man nangyayari yung Coachella, meron na tayong dalawa after.
Excited ba kayo, Blooms? Grabe, Billy concert at the MOA Arena in Pasay this June 2026 and in MOA Arena in Cebu in July. Grabe. And since you've given us a lot of surprises, kami naman ang merong surprise para sa inyo. Kaya please, watch.
Grabe, movie marathon talaga to.
Episodes pa to.
Series episodes.
We wish niyo po lahat, lalo na si Joanna. Alam ko binanibas na to.
Thank you for representing the Philippines. Dominic, congrats sa inyo and good luck sa Coachella. Galingan niyo ang mga. Congrats, Mimi. We're so excited to watch you on Coachella. We always knew that you were meant for that stage.
Break a leg, Billy! Let's go!
Hello mga atas ko! Galingan niyo talaga. Talaga namang galingan niyo talaga. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, masasabi ko lang ay
Excited ako at proud ako sa inyo agad-agad. I wish I could be there, but I'm with you guys. The experience. See you guys when you're back. Good luck.
we're very proud of you.
Sobrang proud ako. Nandiyan kayo. Wala. Mga katalo.
I just want to say that we are so proud of you guys. Thank you for making us Filipinos proud and for raising our flag globally. God bless you guys and more power. Maraming salamat.
Good luck, Didi. I'm going to be one of the blooms, one of the very many blooms in the crowd. I will bring a tarpaulin if I can.
Pa lang, congratulate ko na sa pagiging performance niyo sa Coachella. And I just want to congratulate and wish you guys good luck na nagpo-perform kayo sa Coachella.
Congrats and good luck sa Coachella. Alam ko na yung slay niyo yan.
DRD yan.
Dami naman yung name. Plural form.
Gusto ko na sabihin na super proud kami sa inyo. Congrats in advance and good luck sa Coachella.
Hi, Bibi. Congratulations sa
And good luck sa performance sa April sa Coachella.
Everyone from the universe, I just want to show us proud I am that Lady will be on the Coachella stage this coming summer.
Good luck sa Coachella.
Good luck, good luck.
We are also proud of you being as a show business. Proud na proud kami sa inyo. Ibang klaseng milestone to.
Yes, binabati po namin ang Bini!
Congratulations! Hindi lang kami ang proud sa inyo, kundi ang buong Pilipinas at ang lahat ng mga Pilipino.
God bless sa performance nyo. Alam namin na marami kayo mapapasay dyan sa Coachella. Congrats!
Yes, you guys deserve it. Wala mo lang kayo. Mas wala mo lang sa mga bagay na nangyayari sa inyo. Wala na sa inyo. You guys are feeling. We gusto mo magkakalimutan.
Gusto ko lang i-wish kayo ng good luck and all the best. You make us really
Hello, Bini. Congratulations!
Congratulations and good luck po sa inyong Coachella performance.
We are proud of you.
Viva Prize! Mabuhay ang musikang Pilipino!
Very, very proud of you. And when you step on that stage, don't just perform with your feet, perform with your hearts. Okay? Yung pusong Pinoy. God bless you. I believe in you. I love you. I'm here for you. We are here for you always, Pinoy.
Congratulations and good luck. You really wish us a great chance in the future. And all of us here at Buong Pilipinas, again, congratulations.